Your spine straight, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold it there. Om. 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 Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांशहस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धेर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा। कोमलङ्कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायङ्काले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम्। आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलतमकरसत्कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्कं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलं चारुस्निग्धोरुमं भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द। मोक्षाधिसारमय भागवताख्यदध्नो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। गङ्गा गीता च गायत्रपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनन्तः सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधु ऋषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणम्। आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणम्। चोटानिकर भगवति अम्मये शरणम्। नारायण अखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session, where we are at 99 today. What a feeling. I wish today was a Monday and we continued one more day to the 100th one, but we'll have to wait one more week to hear that Agre Pashyami. So we can intensify the sadhana, so we can enjoy and revel what is. Let's start. Ready, Archam? In this we are seeing Bhagavan Mahimanu Varnana. Vishnurviryaani ko va kathayatu dharane kaschareenunmimite.
विष्णोर्वीर्याणि को वा कथयतु धरणे कश्चरेणून्मिमीते
यस्यैवाङ्घ्रित्रयेण त्रिजगदमभिमितं मोदते पूर्णसम्पत्।
यस्यैवाङ्घ्रित्रयेण त्रिजगदभिमितं मोदते पूर्णसम्पत्।
योऽसौ विश्वानि धत्ते प्रियमिह परमं धाम तस्याभियाया।
योऽसौ विश्वानि धत्ते प्रियमिह परमं धाम तस्याभियायाम्।
त्वद्भक्ता यत्र माद्यन्त्यमृतरस् त्वद्भक्ता यत्र माद्यन्त्यमृतरसमरन्दस्य यत्र प्रवाहः।
त्वद्भक्ता यत्र माद्यन्त्यमृतरसमरन्दस्य यत्र प्रवाहः। विष्णोर्वीर्याणि को वा कथयतु धरणेः कश्चरेणून्मिमीते। यस्य एवाङ्घ्रित्रयेण त्रिजगदभिमितं मोदते पूर्णसम्पत्। योऽसौ विश्वानि धत्ते प्रियमिह परमं धाम तस्याभियायाम्। त्वद्भक्ता यत्र माद्यन्त्यमृतरसमरन्दस्य यत्र प्रवाहः।
So Vishnurviryaani ko va kathayatu. What to say about what? Vishnu Viryani, Vishnu's stories, Vishnu's glories, what all he is. Who can say or who can count about his glories? Dharane hai kascha renun mimite. Mimite yesterday. Again, today we are going back to that Gita satsang session only. So yesterday we did this verse, Matra Sparshastakar. Matra. Matra we saw one meaning ma means measure. Niyate anena, like that we saw. So over here we got that word, mimite, to measure. So dharanehe of the earth, kaha renum mimite, the dust particles, the grains of sand dust. Who can count how many dust particles are there? How many sand particles are there? You can count. So like that, Vishnu Viriyani Kova Katayatu. How to count about that? It's a first line over. Second line, Yasya eva Anghritrayena. Angri is the feet, we know. And Trayena. With these three steps, three Jagat Abhimitam. See, again, this mita has come from that ma, from that mana, from that mimite. Abhimitam. The whole world was measured by his 3 feet. And then Modate, so Purna Sam. And everybody, because of his feet, has touched all the universe. Everybody were happy. Yo asau, yaha asau, Vishwani dhatte. Who is holder of this Vishwa, of this universe? The one who is holder of this universe, Priyamiha, Param Dhama, Tasya Abhiyayam. May I get Abhiyayam, may I attend that this lovely Priya place. May I attend Vaikunta, may I attain his abode. How? Tadbhakta yatra madhyanti. Madhyanti. Mother Madhyanti is one that comes from one Madira, intoxication out of alcohol. And from that over here it is Madhyanti, that may I be intoxicated in your bliss. In what? How is that? Yatra. Where? Madhyanti. Amruta rasa, Amruta rasamarandasya. Honey is the sweetness of that honey of immortality. Let me get intoxicated in the sweetness of that honey, immortal honey, that sweet honey. Of what? Of you, of Lord. Where it is pravaha, where it is flowing. Where the sweet immortality of honey is flowing, there let me get intoxicated. So in that paramtasya dhama, in that your abode, aham abhiyayam, may I reach over there. See, asking also, so far we are asking devotion. Now our ichha has increased. May I reach your abode. So probably what we spoke before class was for preparation for this, because the whole concept will change only. What are we reaching? Where are we reaching? With the body dropped or without body dropped? It's with Bhagavan, it's with Lord. This is the thought. May I be with you, Lord. We have some stupid small things only. May I go to this place visit? May I be with that person? May I be with this person? May I marry him or her or what? What are we asking? We should know also what to ask around Lord. See, such things are asked. Vishnu or Veer. So when there is this conviction of how glorious he is, and that goes beyond imagination, because we have to sit and we have to change our sankalpas in the head. We have to see, question what are our sankalpas, and when those sankalpas are changed with only Lord's virya, kathas, and his, then automatically the awe of the Lord comes. And how this earth is just simply suspended in this space, and just think who is holding it. Simply. All planets are simply suspended here, just like that, in the space, and they're simply revolving. Whose energy? What is that force that keeps them going? Not one Milky Galaxy, they say there are so many galaxies, they say. Then who is managed? This itself is so much. And the Earth is such a small planet then in front of all the others that are existing. And with what rhythm they are going. We can just keep on imagining, Just imagine who is the one who is supporting all that. You bring whatever science and geography, and after that you can again question then whose energy that is, what force it is, what is that particular force, who supports that force. Yes, the answer has to be Bhagavan only. Till then we'll have to question. And then imagine his vastness and his achintya shakti. Something which we cannot think about it. We are in this small thing. This, like this. Tiny things we are stuck on. Big things are happening in the world, which Lord is doing. World is not only earth, in the universe, of course. विष्णोर्वीर्याणि को वा कथयतु धरणे कश्चरेणूनमि कश्चरेणून्मिमीते यस्यैवाङ्घ्रित्रयेण त्रिजगदभिमितं मोदते पूर्णसम्पत् योऽसौ विश्वानि धत्ते प्रियमिह परमं धाम तस्याभियायाम् त्वद्भक्ता यत्र माद्यन्त्यमृतरसमरन्दस्य यत्र प्रवाहः मनीष आद्यायाशेषकर्त्रे प्रतिनिमिषनवीनाय भर्त्रे विभूतेः
आद्याया शेषकर्त्रे प्रतिनिमिष नवीनाय भर्त्रे विभूतेः
प्रतिनिमिष नवीन नवीन इज न्यू नवीन नवीनाय चतुर्थी भक्तात्मा विष्णवे यः प्रदिशति हविरादीनि यज्ञार्चनादौ
भक्तात्मा विष्णवे यः प्रदिशति हविरादीनि यज्ञार्चनादौ
कृष्णाद्यञ्जन्मयो वा महदिह महतो वर्णयेत् सोऽयमेव
कृष्णाद्यञ्जन्मयो वा महदिह महतो वर्णयेत् सोऽयमेव
प्रीतः पूर्णो यशोभिस्त्वरितमभिसरेत् प्राप्यमन्ते पदन्ते
प्रीतिः पूर्णो यशोभिस्त्वरितमभिसरेत् प्राप्यमन्ते पदन्ते आद्याया शेषकर्त्रे प्रतिनिमिषणवीनाय भर्त्रे विभूतेः भक्तात्मा विष्णवे यः प्रदिशति हविरादीनि यज्ञार्चनादौ कृष्णाद्यञ्जन्मयो वा महदिह महतो वर्णयेत् सोऽहमेव प्रेतः पूर्णो यशोभिस्त्वरितमभिसरेत् प्राप्यमन्ते पदं ते
again prapyamante padante in the end will reach your pada. I'm really surprised. Why did we speak all that before the session? And the first two mantras are only taking that input, which is really a surprise. Now, Lord will sense it. Adhyaya. First, Ashesha Kartre, without anything balance, who has created everything over here in this world. Pratinimisha, at every moment, Navinaya, every moment who is new, Bhartre Vibhute, who is the Lord of everything. Bhartre Vibhute. Then, Bhaktatma, Vishnave Yaha, who is Vishnu's Bhakta, Pradishati, thus Havihi Adini, does all those Havi and all those Yajna karmas, Yajna Archana Adau, who is doing this, who's offering various things to the Lord, who's doing Archana and all for the Lord. Krishnadhyam Janma Yahava, or Krishna's birth, incarnation, who talks about that, Mahadiha Mahataha, of the great Lord. Varnayet Saha Ayameva, who describes Lord's Leelas, Lord's Janma Kathas, who revels in that, who talks about it. Pritaha Purnaha Yashobhihi. Pritaha is happy or is dear, and Purnaha Yashobhihi, by full fame, by full success. Tvaritam, immediately, abhisare, goes, prapyamante padante. quickly. Abhisaret goes quickly in the end to your abode, reaches Vaikuntha. One who talks when while living, one who is talking about the Lord, one who does Lord's puja, archa, one who revels on his stories, his katha, his incarnation, his leela, his janma katha. It's the death is easier, and after death also it's easier. There's nothing to worry. He's going to reach Vaikuntha only. He will reach Lord. Whatever we think of, we get that, right? So we should always fill our mind and head with Lord only, and not some mundane things, because we don't know when the death strikes us. We should not have any regret in life. We should do such things that is uplifting us. Whether we get another body or not, or whether we are getting another body or not, the gati should be good. Whether we are getting into Vaikuntha or whether we are getting Suchimatam Gehe, a house where our sadhana can prosper. This only should be the thing. How I am going to evolve from yesterday, how I'm going to get better today. Better in what? Money, financial, material, something. If it's anatma vastu, if we will think, we should not be sorrow. Because anything anatma is going to bring sorrow. Anything related to atma, and more than so paramatma, then there is a continuous bliss. So we should aim of continuous bliss. Where we are doing Ramayana, we are doing the Trishanku story. Now he has Ichha to go in his physical body to Swarga, which is not possible. Guru has said, Guru's children has said, everybody is saying, but he has bent upon it. We will see in Ramayana what happens. Some things which are possible, Grantha Shastra is telling us what is possible. When when Shastra is telling that it's not possible, we'll have to have that conviction. And if we will hold like Trishanku, then our avastha will also be like Trishanku, neither here, neither there, stay hanging in between. That's what's going to happen. We'll see that in Ramayana story. But the point over here is, what is in our hand that we can do, right? That we don't want to do. The other day, had a talk to give on Shastra Vihita. So all the talk is done. And then the question answer session comes. So given freedom to ask whoever, how many ever questions when wants to ask, please ask it. No problem. So for me, the talk has to be successful, then the doubt has to go. So it was the Shastra Vihitahar is for seekers who are in the sea. So we spoke everything. But last again the question comes. What is the Viruddha for non-veg? Can non-veg be done? Oh, okay, if you want, go ahead. Then we are not talking about the seeker there. Enjoy the world. No problem. So whole point then gets missed. So we want to hear everything good, but we don't want to leave certain things which we like so much. And in that, if somebody says, okay, you have this much, that is okay, then that is like one gratification. Okay, she said that that was okay. So I'm saying, yes, you be okay, but on the two boats, don't keep. You want the world, go. Then if you're coming in the seeker side, then this needs. Now, Rajasic, Tamasic aspects should be dropped. So we are not ready to leave our comfort. We will listen to everything. But when it comes to drop, that one point of our comfort is there. Till then, spirituality is good for us. When it shakes something inside, we don't want spirituality so much. That cannot be. So we'll have to be a full-time seeker. Part-time seeker as per convenience won't work. आद्याया शेषकर्त्रे प्रतिनिमिषनवीनाय भर्त्रे विभूतेः भक्तात्मा विष्णवे यः प्रदिशति हविरादीनि यज्ञार्चनादौ कृष्णाद्यञ्जन्मयो वा महदिह महतो वर्णयेत् सोऽयमेव प्रीतः पूर्णो यशोभिस्त्वरितमभिसरेत् प्राप्यमं ते पदन्ते. Cutie ready. Simple. Let's do number 3. हे स्तोतारः कवीन्द्रास्तमिह खलु यथा चेतयध्वे तथैव.
हे स्तोतारः कवीन्द्रास्तमिह खलु यथा चेतयध्वे तथैव
व्यक्तं वेदस्य सारं प्रणुवत जननोपात्तलीला कथाभिः.
व्यक्तं वेदस्य सारं प्रणुवत जननोपात्तलीला कथाभिः
जानन्तश्चास्य नामान्यखिलसुखकराणीति सङ्कीर्तयध्वम्.
जानन्तश्चास्य नामान्यखिलसुखकराणीति सङ्कीर्तयध्वम्.
हे विष्णो कीर्तनाद्यैस्तव खलु महतः सत्त्वबोधं भजेयम्.
हे विष्णु कीर्तनाद्यैस्तव खलु महतस्तत्त्वबोधं भजेयम्. हे स्तोतारः कवीन्द्रास्तमिह खलु यथा चेतयध्वे तथैव व्यक्तं वेदस्य सारं प्रणुवत जननोपात्तलीला कथाभिः जानन्तश्चास्य नामान्यखिलसुखरणानीति सङ्कीर्तयध्वम्. हे विष्णो कीर्तनाद्यैस्तव खलु महतस्तत्त्वबोधं भजेयम्.
हे स्तोताराः कवीन्द्रः. Stotaraha, the one who was making the poets, Kavindraha, the wise poets. The king puts like this people in darbar for his praise, and their job is to boost king's confidence, and kings like to hear their praises. So now Bhattatariji is saying, so those Totaras, Kavindras of all Kavindras, the great poets who are doing all these praises, Iha Khalu, over here, Yatha, Chetayadhve, Chetaya is to know. In whichever way you are understanding, Tathaiva, in that way, Vyaktam Veda Saram Pranuvata. Veda Sara means Lord's essence. What is Veda Sara? Lord. So how you please, Pranuvata, you please do the narrations. Pranuvata, you praise. You please do the narrations of the Lord as how in the essence of the Veda you please bring it out. You are praising king and other things and all. You please praise Lord. Use all your brilliance. Jananopatta Leela Kathabhihi. How Lord has born, what all Leelas he has shown. You bring that out and you make poems on this. You sing this Lord's Katha. What King's Katha you are saying? Then, Janantaschasya, having known Namani, his name, Akhila Sukhakarani, giving Akhila, giving happiness to all. Janantaha, knowing all this, Sankirtayadhvam. Chant, Kirtan, do Kirtan of Lord. Sankirtana. with all your brilliance, might, you, instead of praising King, you praise Lord in short. Then, hey Vishnu, O Vishnu, Kirtanadhyaihi khalu, Kirtanadhyaihi, third case, by all the Kirtanas, by all your praises, khalu, Mahataha Tattva Bodham, the great Tattva Bodham of the knowledge, Bhajeyam, I will meditate on, or I will reach you. So in short, I will reach Lord to you by doing your praises, chanting your names. We have that one day, Vishnu Sahasranama, once, half an hour, 30 minutes, once in a week. How many of us are attending? But before starting, everybody promised, no, we will come, you make at this time. So that time, my clinic thing was very narrow. No, we will manage. So many people promised me. Okay. So now that person who said also is not there into that, not chanting. And over here we are saying, your Nama Japa I will do. And I'll say, we are asking half an hour in once a week, but nobody joins over there. If once a week we cannot join, then when we can join? I don't know. हे स्तोतारः कवीन्द्रास्तमिह खलु यथा चेतयध्वे तथैव व्यक्तं वेदस्य सारं प्रणुवत जननोपात्तलीला कथाभिः जानन्तश्चास्य नामान्यखिलसुखकराणीति सङ्कीर्तयध्वम् हे विष्णो कीर्तनाद्यैस्तव खलु महतस्तत्त्वबोधं भजेयम्. By the way, Vishnu Sahasranam is the most powerful stotra one can do for that. Not for even the spiritual, even the worldly thing and the body and things which we look for must immediate benefits is all lying in Vishnu Sahasranam. Okay, now let's have all the others. Om Praise Lalita Mata. विष्णुः कर्माणि सम्पश्यत मनसि सदा यैः स धर्मान् बध्नात्
विष्णुः कर्माणि सम्पश्यत मनसि सदा यैः स धर्मान् बध्नात्
यानीन्द्रस्यैष भृत्यः प्रियसख इव च प्रियसख इव च व्यातनोत्क्षेमकारी
यानीन्द्रस्यैष भृत्यः प्रियसख इव च व्यातनोत्क्षेमकारी
वीक्षन्ते योगसिद्धाः परपदमनिशं यस्य सम्यक् प्रकाशम्
वीक्षन्ते योगसिद्धाः परपदमनिशै यस्य सम्यक् प्रकाशम्
विप्रेन्द्रा जागरूकाः कृतबहुनुतयो यच्च निर्भासयन्ते
विप्रेन्द्रा जागरूकाः कृतबहुनुतयो यच्च निर्भासयन्ते विष्णुः कर्माणि सम्पश्यत मनसि सदा यैः स धर्मान् बध्नात् यानीन्द्रस्यैष भृत्यः प्रियसख इव च व्यातनोत्क्षेमकारी वीक्षन्ते योगसिद्धाः परपदमनिशै यस्य सम्यक् प्रकाशम् विप्रेन्द्रा जागरूकाः कृतबहुनुतयो यच्च निर्भासयन्ते.
See, where is that verb now? That sampashyat manasi sada. Sampashyata manasi sada. Reflect or think or see it, manasi, in your mind, sada, always. What to reflect on the mind always? On the mind, in the mind, always reflect on Vishnu Karmani. All the actions which Lord did. What did he do in those actions? Yaihi, by which तृतीया बहुवचन, सहा he dharman abadnat. Abadnat, he established dharma. So if we will reflect on Lord's stories, we will see how he has bound everything and all the laws to dharma. Dharma are the duties. Dharma is the svabhava. Dharma is the intrinsic nature. Dharma is the one which upholds the society. Dharma is not that narrow-minded, just one religion. My dharma is Hindu, your dharma is what? Christian. Society should grow. Am I audible? Okay, I thought my connection went. I felt it on the screen. Society should grow. How can I have to be a certain way, then only God will be happy of this particular dharma. That's why you need to convert. And if I will give you one rice bag and some money, and then you come to my religion, then it is great. So our pride for our religion is that one rice bag and that little money. I'll get your daughter's wedding done, you come into this dharma. What is wrong with our heads, huh? We are all going in wrong directions. This is one kind. Another kind, if you don't do this, I better kill you off. Threat. If you have to live in this area, you have to be like this. And kill. What is happening? So when the saints and Mahatmas themselves involve in such things, then their followers will also be like that. That's why the leader has to be the one who understands how to uphold a society and remain in harmony. How can one advise to disrupt harmony to be called as great? There itself it is lost. So out of fear, if people have to follow it, that can't be called as victory. So where our Sanskriti we do not know, we become victim. So we'll have to mind our children and bring them up with a self-respect and know and tell our stories. All this Vishnu Janma, Vishnu Leela, tell the history. This Ramayana Mahabharata, this history, mythology. So we have to sampashyat manasi. Then only it will be held. Then only it will protect us. Otherwise, we are gone. I don't know how the next generation is going to be. Yani, shortni, Indrasya Eshaha. Yani Indrasya Eshaha. And one example they have given, like how far Indra he has done. Then Priya Sakhaha, he has become as a friend also. Bhrutyaha, before that, he has become a servant also. Ivacha Vyatanot Kshemakari. Vyatanot, he has carried out all these duties, all these roles in different ways. And Kshemakari means he has upheld only. He has thought of that welfare only and brought good only out. Who? Lord. Vikshante yoga siddhaha. The yogis, they vikshante. They see. Para, padam, anisham. In there, they see his, in anisham, in day and night, they see Lord's what? They see the glory of the Lord. Yasya samyak prakasham. Whose light, samyak, whose very light, appropriate light, well illumined light, who? The yogis. And Viprendraha Jagrukaha. Vipra means the superior Brahmanas. Jagrukaha means those who are wise. They see this. Kruta Bahu Nutayaha. Nuta is to the stotras, stuti. They do so many stutis. And yatcha nirbhasyante. And they try to elaborate on God like this. So, in point, what is the purport of this? That always meditate on the Lord and the deeds of the Lord. Even the great rishis and all, they saw the light and the truth in which the Lord is existing. And they have brought out so many stutis out in praise of the Lord. Revel in the Lord, who is the upholder of the dharma, or who has established dharma. If you can just Google how many stotras, stutis Adi Shankaracharya has written, you will get surprised. One who is already jnani, how he has walked length and breadth of India to establish so many ashrams, walked. Means with what body he has walked, what physical he has walked, or what we cannot even imagine how he has done that. So already an enlightened saint has written so many stutis, and now we sing those. Just take this as a homework, not to even open the stuti, just know the names and the list of his work. Mind-boggling. And in his early 30s, he's gone also. He's dropped his body also. He's written all the bhashyas on all the Vedas, Upanishads. God alone knows what all work, massive work he has finished already. And at 32, he's dropped his body also. At 8 itself, he was all jnana. At 16, he has done so many. Between 16 and 32, he's established so many mats. Not in one place. So what this means, why this verse I'm saying, why Adi Shankaracharya we know. So what is in this verse, when these yogis and siddhas are doing, we already, in our times of saints and what we are holding, we already know. So take this as a homework to just see the number of stutis and stotras which Shankaracharya has done. Amazing. Why? What was the purpose there? Bringing Lord to us in form. Other day, who said in that memorizing group, somebody said, Saguna thing was easy, this Nirguna Brahman is getting tough. So Shankaracharya, after doing all this Nirguna Upanishad, this, that, everything, eventually he's come down to that Saguna. What is a stuti? Raising one particular God in a particular form and describing and writing. Then whether it is Annapurneshwari or whether he's going into Nirvan Shatka. See the difference. So there we'll just give me something is popping out. My God. विष्णुः कर्माणि सम्पश्यत मनसि सदा यैः स धर्मान् बध्नात् यानीन्द्रस्यैष भृत्यः प्रियसखैव च व्यातनोत्क्षेमकारी वीक्षन्ते योगसिद्धाः परपदमनिशं यस्य सम्यक् प्रकाशम् विप्रेन्द्रा जागरूकः कृतबहुनुतयो यच्च निर्भासयन्ते. Number 5. Did you only say that? Saguna was okay and
I didn't
Is
say
it
that.
okay?
I said maybe I did because there was a conversation about Saguna and Nirguna. I said after singing the Rasa Panchadhyayi, it is the change was a bit, yeah.
No jato jayamanopi cha samadhigatastvanmahimno vasanam.
No jato jayamano picha samadhigatastvanmahim no vasanam. Is there an echo?
No, somebody has unmuted.
Indra's
Mic. Okay.
only it has got unmuted.
No problem. I have muted it. Doesn't matter. It happens. देवश्रेयांसि विद्वान् प्रतिमुहुरपि ते नाम शंसामि विष्णो
देवश्रेयांसि विद्वान् प्रतिमुहुरपि ते नाम शंसामि विष्णो
त्वां संस्तौमि नानाविधनुति वचनैरस्य लोकत्रयस्यापि. We cannot do it as yapi. We'll have to continue. Lokatrayasyapi urdhvam. Okay. Tantvam samstaumi nanavidhanuti vachanairasya lokatrayasyapi urdhvam vibhrajamane virachita vasatim tatra vaikunthaloke.
तन्त्वां संस्तौमि नानाविधनुति वचनैरस्य लोकत्रयस्यापूर्ध्वं विभ्राजमाने विरचितवसतिं तत्र वैकुण्ठलोके नो जातो जायमानोऽपि च समधिगतस्त्वन्महिम्नोऽवसानम् देवश्रेयांसि विद्वान् प्रतिमुहुरपि ते नाम शंसामि विष्णो तन्त्वां संस्तौमि नानाविधनुति वचनैरस्य लोकत्रयस्याप्यूर्ध्वं विभ्राजमाने विरचितवसतिं तत्र वैकुण्ठलोके
Na jataha. Those who are not born before. Jayamanaha. Or those who are born now, who are getting born now. Samadhigataha. Samadhigataha. Tvat mahimna avasana. Samadhigataha. Samadhi. In proper understanding. Dhi. Samadhi. In proper understanding. Nagataha. What? Mahima avasanam. Your glory, mahima's avasanam. The limit of your glory is not known to the people who were born before or who are getting born now. Deva, O Lord, Shreyamsi, what is the best? Vidvan, to know, Pratimuhurapite. Pratimuhuhu, muhur, again and again, Pratimuhuhu, every moment, te nama shamsami Vishnu. Shamsami, I chant or I praise your name every moment, O Vishnu. People before or now, they do not know the limits of your glory. I have realized the power of your name. So every moment, O Vishnu, I praise you. 2 lines over. Third. Tan Tvam where is that? Samstomi. Samstomi, again, stuti. And stomi, it is the first person. I do your stutis by nana vidha nuti vachanaihi. Different kinds of nuti vachana. Nuti is to praise. So different kinds of stotras I use to samstomi. I used to praise you. So with different kinds of stotras, Vishnu Sahasranam Stotra, I'm just saying, then I will use that to praise you. I'm using that to praise you. I praise you. Lokatrayasyapi urdhvam. Amongst all the 3 lokas, the Lokatraya, Bhu, Swarga, Patal, above all that, Vibhrajamane, you are shining, Virachita Vasatim, and you are residing over there, Tatra over there in Vaikuntha Loke. So you are the one who is above all the 3 lokas, residing in that Vaikuntha Loka. To that Lord who is shining above all, I praise using different stotras, different stutis. In short, the import of this verse is what? Others may know or know not. It's beyond even my imagination. What is the limit of your glory? I understand that chanting your name helps, and therefore I keep on chanting your name and I keep on reciting your Siddhi. To whom? O Lord, who is above all this world, staying in Vaikuntha, who is shining out over there from top. नो जातो जायमानोऽपि च समधिगतस्त्वन्महिम्नोऽवसानम् देवश्रेयांसि द्वितावदेः देवश्रेयांसि विद्वान् प्रतिमुहुरपि ते नाम शंसामि विष्णो तन्त्वां संस्तौमि नानाविधनुति वचनैरस्य लोकत्रयस्याप्यूर्ध्वं विभ्राजमाने विरचितवसतिं तत्र वैकुण्ठलोके. Number 6. आपसृष्ट्यादिजन्याः प्रथममयि विभो गर्भदेशे दधुस्त्वा
आपसृष्ट्यादिजन्माः प्रथममयि विभो गर्भदेशे दधुस्त्वाम्
यत्र त्वय्येव जीवा जलशयन हरे सङ्गताैक्यमापन्
यत्र त्वय्येव जीवा जलशयन हरे सङ्गता ऐक्यमापन्.
Not aikya, aikya, ai it is, not a.
ऐक्यमापन्. Okay.
तस्याजस्य प्रभोते विनिहितमभवत् पद्ममेकं हि नाभौ
तस्याजस्य प्रभोते विनिहितमभवत् पद्ममेकं हि नाभौ
दिक्पत्रं यत् किलाहुः कनकधरणिभृत् कर्णिकं लोकरूपम्
दिक्पत्रं यत् किलाहुः कनकधरणिभृत् कर्णिकल्लोकरूपम्. आपसृष्ट्यादिजन्माः प्रथममयि विभो गर्भदेशे दधुस्त्वाम् यत्र त्वय्येव जीवा जलशयन हरे सङ्गता ऐक्यमापन्. तस्याजस्य प्रभोते विनिहितमभवत् पद्ममेकं हि नाभौ दिक्पत्रं यत् किलाहुः कनकधरणिभृत् कर्णिकल्लोकरूपम्.
Origin of everything is said in this verse. Apaha srushtyadi janyaha. Apa is water. Srushtyadi janyaha. At the beginning, srushtyadi beginning, janyaha at the born at the beginning of the srushti. Prathamam, first in the beginning, Ai Vibho, O Lord, Garbhadeshe Dadhustvam. Garbhadeshe, in that water you had held what? Means he had held the waters, Lord had held the waters. Yatra Tvai eva Jivaha Jalashayana Hare Sangata Aikyamapan. Jivaha Yatra Tvai, in you. Jivaha Sangataha, all the Jivas Sangataha came together. Aikyamapan and merged. Lord is reclining in the causal waters and all the Jivas have merged over there. Okay, so we can take it as the end point or we can take it as the starting point. Hey Prabho, that time, Tasya, Ajasya, Prabho, Ajasya, one, you are unborn. Lord is not having birth. He was always there. Te vinihitam abhavat. Vinihitam, te vinihitam abhavat. There was this place where Padmam ekam hi nabhav. One lotus from nabhav, from the navel region, from the umbilicus, one lotus sprouted. Vikpatram yat kilahu. For 8 dishas, 8 petals were there for that lotus. Kanaka dharani bhrut karnikam loka rupam. Kanaka dharani, golden mountain, which was there. Karnikam loka rupam. If we have seen how the flower is there, and from the flower, when the fruit comes, there is one base over there from which that fruit would sprout or the flower would sprout. So like that, the base was of that golden, from which Karanikam Loka Rupam, from that the lokas have come out. A plant, then the bud comes slowly, there is a base over there. That bud becomes a flower, that base is still there. And that flower is going to convert into the fruit, that base, from that base on. So that base is this golden mountain. Dishas are the petals are the dishas, 8 directions. आपसृष्ट्यादिजन्याः प्रथममयि विभो गर्भदेशे दधुस्त्वा यत्र त्वय्येव जीवा जलशयनहरे सङ्गताैक्यमापन् तस्य अजस्य, one who is not having birth, तस्याजस्य प्रभोते दिनिहितमभवत् पद्ममेकं हि नाभौ दिक्पत्रं यत्किलाहुः कनकधरणिभृत् कर्णिकं लोकरूपम्. कार्तिक जी. हे लोका विष्णुरेतद्भुवनमजनयन्. हे लोका विष्णुरेतद्भुवनमजनयत् तन्न जानीथ यूयम्.
हे लोका विष्णुरेतद्भुवनमजनयत् तन्न जानीथ यूयम्.
युष्माकं ह्यन्तरस्थं किमपि तदपरं विद्यते विष्णुरूपम्.
युष्माकं ह्यन्तरस्थं किमपि तदपरं विद्यते विष्णुरूपम्.
ईहार प्रख्यमाया परिवृतमनसो मोहिता नामरूपैः.
निहारप्रख्यमाया परिवृतमनसो मोहिता नामरूपैः.
प्राणप्रीत्येकतृप्ताश्चरथमखपरा हन्तनेच्छा मुकुन्दे.
प्राणप्रीत्येकतृप्ताश्चरथमखपरा हन्तनेच्छा मुकुन्दे. हे लोका विष्णुरेतद्भुवनमजनयत् तन्न जानीथ यूयम्. युष्माकं ह्यन्तरस्थं किमपि तदपरं विद्यते विष्णुरूपम्. निहारप्रख्यमाया परिवृतमनसो मोहिता नामरूपैः. प्राणप्रीत्येकतृप्ताश्चरथमखपरा हन्तनेच्छा मुकुन्दे.
हे लोकाः, O people, Vishnuhu etad, this is Vishnu, etad bhuvanam, this whole world, who ajanayat, who has created this universe, tat na janitha yuyam. You are not knowing this, O people, yuyam, plural, yushmat shabdas. You are not knowing that this universe itself is Vishnu. Yushmakam hi antarastham. He antarastham. Yan something over there. Yushmakam hi antarastham. In yourself. Antarastham. In you. Antarastha. Staying in you. Residing in you. Kimapi tadaparam. Vidyate Vishnu Rupa. Apart from this cosmos, what you see outside, there is another Vishnu also who is staying inside your heart. Na viduhu, which you do not know. Clear? Two meanings. Oh people, this world is created by Vishnu. This world is Vishnu. And there is another form of Vishnu who is residing in your heart, which you are also not knowing. Nihara Prakhya. Nihara, like dewdrops, or like the mist. Maya Parivrita Manasaha. How the mist is obscuring. Other day somebody has gone to some Munnar or Vagaman over here, some nearby place, and posting pictures where the visibility was not there because it's raining so heavily and everything is covered by mist. So that which we enjoy over there in the nature, over here it's a harmful thing. That Maya has like a mist, Parivrita Manasa, mind has been covered like a mist. There is no visibility. Mohitaha Nama Rupaihi. And we are happy. This is this, this is this. With different namas, different rupas, we are got mohita. We are not seeing God over there. Tea plantation is seen, this is seen, that is seen, what a lovely sight. Not bringing Lord over there. Different nama rupas we are enjoying, minus the Lord, which we all do. We all like to go to places, we all like some break, anything, not only places to visit, anything and everywhere we enjoy minus the Lord. Different namas, different rupas, different things. Then, Mohita Nama Rupaihi. Prana Prityeka Truptaha. Prana Prityeka Truptaha. Just happy by satisfying our pranas, sense organs. We enjoy the different Nama Rupas minus the Lord. Just to please our prana Prita, just to have the sense enjoyment. Makhapara, Hanta, Necha, Mukunda. Doing different yajnas. Different yajnas are for what? Let me have what? Putra. Let me have Yasha. Let me have. Again, worldly things only is asked in yajna. Okay. Nobody is asking moksha and doing yajna, nor bhakti. Yajna for bhakti and all never heard. Any yajnas you see. Give me health, give me this, give me that, give me. So, doing all that and charatha and living in this world, Necha Mukunde. In Mukunda, there is no desire. Not wanting Mukunda, but wanting worldly things. Enjoying the world. Different things you are enjoying. Means Nama and Rupa is only changing. Whether you say jalebi or rasagulla or gulab jam, everything is sweet, but we want everything and that buffet, whatever is the sweet dish, it's a rabdi, it's a payasam, it's jalebi, whatever we want, that names are different, forms are different, but we still like to enjoy that buffet which is having everything. Those biscuits in the childhood, elephant, tiger biscuit, and then the fight for that biscuit. Why you took my elephant and why you took my tiger? That small biscuit. Biscuit batter is same, only that dough, and from that same only the taste is not going to. But then that form is different. A fight is happening over there. My elephant is mean. But you can eat nothing. What is there? But no, because stuck in the name and form, not knowing that the substratum taste is the same. We are like that. Okay. The husband brought necklace. The wife is unhappy because she didn't want a necklace. She wanted something else. So, no. He is saying, I'm invested in whatever percentage of gold for him, whether it's a necklace or wife wanted something else. Now what to do? But see, in the name and the form, it is stuck. Okay. Why this shape was? Why not this shape was? I wanted a glass transparent. Now you have brought this ceramic. Nothing is visible. It is like this. Everything is mud or everything is like this. Name and form is changing. And we are stuck into that only. We are not bringing Lord into between. Right? And then we call priests and all to do several pujas at home. What Satyanarayan puja we have called, this we have called that. Nowhere we have asked for bhakti, give me bhakti. Nowhere we have asked, let me have infinite bliss, let me have the rasa of the Lord. Nowhere we have asked. No, Ichha Mukunde Bhattatiriji saying in 99th Dashakam. Midway has gone of this Dashakam. That time he is saying like this. See, he is just knowing how we are. After hearing all this also at 99th, we have to hear this only because we are not ready to change. हे लोका विष्णुरेतद्भुवनमजनयत् तन्न जानीथ यूयम् युष्माकं ह्यन्तरस्थं किमपि तदपरं विद्यते विष्णुरूपम् नीहारप्रख्यमाया परिवृतमनसो मोहिता नामरूपैः प्राणप्रीत्येकतृप्ताश्चरथमखपरा हन्तनेच्छा मुकुन्दे. What to do? Ichha Mukunde. So many. Number 8. मूर्धामक्ष्णां पदानां वहसि खलु सहस्राणि सम्पूर्य विश्वम्
मूर्ध्नामक्ष्णां पदानां वहसि खलु सहस्राणि सम्पूर्य विश्वम्
प्रोत्क्रम्यापि तिष्ठन् परिमितविवरे भासि चिन्तान्तरेऽपि
तत्प्रोत्क्रम्यापि तिष्ठन् परिमितविवरे भासि चित्तान्तरेऽपि
भूतं भव्यं च सर्वं परपुरुष भवान् किंच देहेन्द्रियादिष्वाविष्ट. We'll do this. देहेन्द्रियादिषु for now.
भूतं भव्यं च सर्वं परपुरुष भवान् किंच देहेन्द्रियादिषु
आविष्टोऽप्युद्गतत्वादमृतसुखरसञ्चानुभुङ्क्षे त्वमेव.
आविष्टोऽप्युद्गतत्वादमृतसुखरसञ्चानुभुङ्क्षे त्वमेव मूर्ध्नामक्ष्णां पदानां वहसि खलु सहस्राणि सम्पूर्य विश्वम्
Did you say सहस्राणि?
सहस्राणि.
Okay.
मूर्ध्नामक्ष्णां पदानां वहसि खलु सहस्राणि सम्पूर्य विश्वम् तत्प्रोत्क्रम्यापि तिष्ठन् परिमितविवरे भासि चित्तान्तरेऽपि भूतं भव्यं च सर्वं परपुरुष भवान् किंच देहेन्द्रियादिषु आविष्टोऽप्युद्गतत्वादमृतसुखरसञ्चानुभुङ्क्षे त्वमेव.
We don't break, we won't be able to hold and chant it. It's good to break it over there. We can mark it over there. Permanently we'll break it up. We don't need to. Okay. So this is Purusha Sukta. Okay, in one verse. Murdhnam. Murdhani, head. Ikshnam. Ikshnam, eyes. Pradanam. Feet. All Shashti. Of feet, of eyes, of heads. Vahasi khalu. You are having. Sahasrani. 1,000. And Sampurya Vishwam. Filling. You are having. You are of 1,000 heads, hands, feet. And you are filling the whole universe. Okay. First line over. Second. Tat Protkramyapi Tishthan. And Protkramya. You are, this you are, but even beyond this also you are there. Parimita Vivare. Parimita limited. Vivara is the whole. Hollow of limited hollow. Bhasi, you shine. Bhasi, Bhati, he shines. Bhasi, you shine. Yesterday we had the third and the fourth verse. Bhati tasmai namaste. Bhasi tasmai namaste. Bhati, he shines. Whoever in the description. Bhasi, you shine. So Bhasi, Chittantare api. Inside the heart, in that limited space also you shine. You are all that out in that universe, not just the earth, entire galaxies, entire whatever cosmos. All you are spread with your thousands of hands and legs and heads, eyes. And inside that heart, in that limited space also you are there. Just means from Anoraniyan, Mahi, what was that line? Mahato Mahiyan. Then, not only that, Bhutam Bhavyancha Sarvam. What is in the past and what would be in the future? Sarvam. Everything. Parapurusha Bhavan. You are that, highest Purusha. Kincha Dehendriyadishu. Deha, body, Indriya, senses, Adishu, etc. In all that, Avishtaha Pi. In spite of reaching into all the Indriyas and also Utgatatvad, you are beyond that also. Amruta Sukharasam, bliss. Infinite, unending bliss. Cha Anubhungshe Tvameva. You are only the enjoyer of it. You are only the whole universe. You are only the space in the heart. You are only the bodies and the indriyas. You are only the enjoyer. Purusha Sutta. Again, 2 days ago we did meditation on this also. Those who have not joined satsang group, meditation group should join. Something, no? It's nice to hold. When everybody is doing it, happens. On our own, it doesn't happen. And we said that 3 weeks for Narayana. Now, I think tomorrow is the second week also finish of meditation. Along with this Narayana, we are traveling. And then the next week when we are completing the Narayana, our 3rd week of meditation will complete along with Narayana. Murdhamakšnam padanam vahasi khalu sahasrani sampurya vishvam tat protkramyapi tishthan parimita vivare bhasi chittantarepi bhutam bhavyancha sarvam parapurusha bhava kincha dehendriyadishu Avishtopyudgatatvad amruta sukharasam tvameva. You are only enjoyer. So there is no space. I am not the enjoyer. Lord is only the enjoyer. Give everything to Lord. Number 9. So over here, there is one namaskara coming. We have to write at the end of this verse also one namaskara. We have to be ready to get up and do namaskara. Yattu trailokya rupam dadhadapi chatato nirgato namta shuddha jnanatma vartase tvan tava khalu mahima sopi tavan kimanyat. So, Antashuddha Jnanatma is one word. We cannot change that. First and the second pada. Padmaji.
Yet, can you repeat, please?
Yes. Yat tutrailokya is Vitva. Yat tutrailokya rupan dadhadapi chatato Nirgato nanta shuddha jnanatma vartase tvan tava khalu mahima sopi tavan kimanyat.
Yattu trailokya rupan dadhadapi cha tato nirgato nanta shuddha jnanatma vartase tvan tavat khalu mahima sopi tavan kimanyat.
Stokaste bhaga evakhil bhuvanataya drishyate tryangsha kalpam.
Stokaste bhaga evakhil bhuvanataya drishyate tryangsha kalpam.
भूयिष्ठं सान्द्रमोदात्मकमुपरि ततो भाति तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्
भूयिष्ठं सान्द्रमोदात्मकमुपरि ततो भाति तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम् यत्तु त्रैलोक्यरूपं दधदपि च ततो निर्गतोऽनन्तशुद्धज्ञानात्मा वर्तसे त्वं तव खलु महिमा सोऽपि तावान् किमन्यत् स्तोकस्ते भाग एवाखिलभुवनतया दृश्यते त्र्यंशकल्पम् भूयिष्ठं सान्द्रमोदात्मकमुपरि ततो भाति तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्
Okay. Yattu. Yattu because Trailokya Rupam Dadhada Picha. You are this Triloka Rupa, not only the Prithvi, all the three lokas. Patal included, Swarga included, every loka you are. And Nirgataha, you are even beyond that as what? Anta Shuddha Jnanatma. Ananta Shuddha Jnanatma. Ananta, infinite. Shuddha, pure. Jnanatma, consciousness, the all-knower. You are the Trailokya, but you are even beyond that. You are the all-knower, all-pervading, infinite. Vartase, and you are like that. Vartase, you are, A-R-E, are. Tvam vartase. Tava khalu mahima soha api tavam ki manyad. This is just the glory, then what else more can be said? This is your mahima. This itself is so very great. What more can be said? Ki manyat. Then, stokaste bhaga. Stokaha, little part. This, whatever we are talking so much, is actually only a little part of you. Akhila bhuvana taya, like in the form of this whole world, drushyate. Triyansha kalpam. It's little bit only you are seen, but your majority part, that 3 means it's a tip of the iceberg, what we say. One small 1/4 part is seen. The remaining 3/4 is not seen only. So like that, Lord's description, Triyansha kalpam bhuishtham, the major part, Sandra, Modatmakam, which is the pure Sandra. Sandra is the dense form of bliss. Modatmakam, which gives happiness, that Ananda, pure Ananda, you are shining even beyond that. To that, Tasmai Namaste. To that, I bow down. What I'm seeing this as, this entire cosmos is just a little part of you. There is something more that shines even beyond that infinite happiness. To that, I bow down. So we can't even imagine how many galaxies and universe, and we have to imagine something even beyond that. Means what? Mind is not able to reach only. Just imagine how big is Earth, how big is the solar system, and then how many such galaxies. Just keep on expanding the mind to whatever limit you can. And beyond that is also Lord who is shining. I bow down to him. Habba. Yattu त्रैलोक्यरूपं दधदपि च ततो निर्गतोऽनन्त शुद्धज्ञान. Shuddha is Dvitva. Dhatnya, because Nya is a Dvitva. And Shu is also Dvitva because the is a Dvitva over there, the Vantha. Yattu त्रैलोक्यरूपं दधदपि च ततो निर्गतोऽनन्त शुद्धज्ञानात्मा वर्तसे त्वं तव खलु महिमा सोऽपि तावान् किमन्यत् स्तोकस्ते भाग एवाखिल भुवनतया दृश्यते त्र्यंशकल्पम् भूयिष्ठौ सान्द्रमोदात्मकमुपरि ततो भाति तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम् Okay. शोभाजी नंबर 10 अव्यक्तन्ते स्वरूपं दुरधिगमतमन्तत्तु शुद्धैकसत्त्वम्
अव्यक्तन्ते स्वरूपं दुरधिकमतमन्तत्तु शुद्धैकसत्त्वम्
व्यक्तं चाप्येतदेव स्फुटममृतरसां बोधिकल्लोलतुल्यम्
व्यक्तं चाप्येतदेव स्फुटममृतरसां बोधिकल्लोलतुल्यम्
सर्वोत्कृष्टामभीष्टां तदिह गुणरसेनैव चित्तं हरन्ति
सर्वोत्कृष्टामभीष्टान् तदिह गुणरसेनैव चित्तं हरन्ति
मूर्तिं ते संश्रयेऽहं पवनपुरपते पाहि मां कृष्णरोगात् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा
मूर्तिं ते संश्रयेऽहं पवनपुरपते पाहि मां कृष्णरोगात् अव्यक्तं ते स्वरूपं दुरधिगमतमन्तत्तु शुद्धैकसत्त्वम् व्यक्तं चाप्येतदेव स्फुटममृतरसां बोधिकल्लोलतुल्यम् सर्वोत्कृष्टामभीष्टान् तदिह गुणरसेनैव चित्तं हरन्ति मूर्तिं ते संश्रयेऽहं पवनपुरपते पाहि मां कृष्णरोगात् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते.
It's so sweet to hear your chanting. Avyaktam te swarupam. Your swarupa is avyakta, nirguna, nirakara. Therefore, duradhigamathamam, not tara, tamam. That is why most difficult to achieve, grasp. Tattu, but Shuddha eka sattvam. That your Shuddha Swarup is there, which is Vyaktam, second line, first word, which is visible, palpable, graspable. Sphutam, etat. So this is that manifest form. That is easier. So Nirguna Brahma is very tough. This form which is having Saguna, that is easier. And Amruta Rasam Bodha Kallola Tulyam. So Udadhi is a Rasam Bodhi. It is an ocean of bliss. It is equal to one, a very pleasant wave of bliss. So much big ocean and one wave comes, which gently touches our feet. We like that wave. Something which is huge and all, we get scared of that. Ocean we enjoy. That one gentle wave which comes and touches us, which we like. That one Shuddha form of Lord, which is palpable, that one which we can take, we like it. Something which is unimaginable, so much of this Bhuvana and all we reached and we came. Yeah, mind is not ready to go over there. How that dhyana will happen on that? It's tough to grasp. This something which is achievable for me, I would like to take. So that's what Arjuna says to him in 11th chapter. Your Chaturbhuja form, you take away all this, whatever. Just my Chaturbhuja Krishna is okay for me. This is all he asks for. Like that only over here. Then Sarvotkrishtam. What is Sarvotkrishta? The best. Superior than the superior. Abhishtam. It's much light, palatable. Tadiha, over here. Guna rasenaiva chittam haranti. With all your gunas and all you are there. No? There is so much rasa into that. That chittam haranti. That captivates the mind. Huh? Pankajaksha, Padmanabha, Pankajapada, this lotus feet, lotus eyes, lotus hand, bewitching smile, shining necklace, shining kirita, shining armlet. All this is very pleasing. Chittam haranti. This Krishna captivates my mind. This Vishwa, this, I cannot reach with my mind over there. Murtim te samshrayeham. So in this Murti, which is having all these gunas, I enjoy this Murti only. And in this samshrayeham, I take refuge in this form of you, O Krishna. Pavanapurapate Guruvairappa, Pahimam Krishna Roga. Save me, O Krishna, from all kinds of diseases. In short, what? Your Murti is only captivating. My mind understands only that much. I'll take refuge in that, where my mind can understand. Avyaktante swar upam duradhigamatamam tattu shuddhaikasatvam vyaktanchapyetadeva sputam amrutarasam bodhi kallola tulyam. That wave of that ocean, you are that gentle wave, you are like that, which you are Saguna form. Sarvotkrishtam abhishtam tadiha gunarase naiva chittam haranti. Your guna, that is chittam haranti. That captivates the mind. Murtinte samshrayeham. This Krishna Murti only I take refuge. O Pavanapurapate Pahimang Krishna Rogat. O Krishna of Pavanapurapati Pahimam Rogat. Sada sarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtanam. Govinda, Govinda, Narayana, Akhila Guru, Bhagavan Namaste. What is immense Kripanas that we are able to complete this so comfortably, no hurry. That was a good decision to do that whole thing in one go, then that whole topic stays with us. We have ample time. We are going to do the Parayan. Those who have not chanted first will get the chants first. So please raise your hands. Okay. Radha Krishnan ji do verse number 1, Sita Lakshmi ji second, Chitra ji number 3, Indra ji number 4, Lakshmi ji number 5, Devika ji number 6. Then there are no hands. So Sahana ji from 7, 8, 9, 10, you do it on. Let us start. Shamala ji, now you have raised hand. Let us see in the next step. Okay. Let's start.
Okay. Vishnurviryaani ko va kathayadudharane kaschareenun mimite yassaivankritrayena trijagadabhimidam modade purna sampad Yosau Vishwani Dhatte Priyamiha Paraman Dhamatasyabhiyayam Twadbhakta Yatra Madhyanta Mridara Samarandasya Yatra Pravaha
Adhyaya Sheshakartre Pratinimishanavinaaya Bhartre Vibhutehe Bhaktatma Vishnaveya Pratidishati Hari Pratidishati Havi Radhini Yajñarchanadau Krishnadhyan Janmayo va Mahadina Mahato Varnayet Soyameva Pritah प्रीतः पूर्णो यशोभिस्त्वरितमभिसरेत् प्राप्यमन्ते पदन्ते।
हे स्तोतारः कवीन्द्रास्तमिह खलु यथा चेतयध्वे तथैव व्यक्तं वेदस्य सारं प्रणुवत जननो पातलीला कथाभिः जानन्तश्चास्य नामान्यखिल सुखकरा नीतिसङ्कीर्तयध्वं ये विष्णु कीर्तनाद्यैस्तव खलु महतस् तत्त्वबोधं भजेयम्।
विष्णु कर्माणि सम्पश्यत मनसि सदा यस्य तर्मान बध्नात् यानेन्द्रस्य भृत्यः प्रियसख इव च व्यातनोक्षेमकारी वीक्षन्ते योगसिद्धाः परपदमनिशाय यस्य सम्यक् प्रकाशं विपेन्द्रः जागरूकाः कृतबहुमुनुतयो यच्च निर्भाषयन्ते।
नो जातो जायमानोऽपि च समधिगतस्त्वन्महीन् नो वसानं देवश्रेयांसि विद्वान् प्रतिमुहुरपि ते नाम शंसामि विष्णो तन्त्वां संस्तौमि नानाविधनुति वचनैर्अस्य लोकत्रयस्याप्योर्ध्वं बिभ्राजमाने विरचितवसतिं तत्र वैकुण्ठलोके।
आपसृष्ट्यादिजन्याः प्रथममयि विभो गर्भदेशे दधुस्त्वां यत्र त्वेयेव जीवा जलशयन हरे सङ्गता ऐक्यमापन् तस्याजस्या प्रभो ते विनिहितमभवेत् पद्ममेकं हि नाभौ दीपत्रयत्किलाहुः कनकधरणिभृत् कर्णिकल्लोकरूपम्।
हे लोका विष्णुरेतद्भुवनमजनयत् तन्न जानीथ यूयं युष्माकं ह्यन्तरस्थं किमपि तदपरं विद्यते विष्णुरूपं निहारप्रख्यमाया परिवृतमनसो मोहिता नामरूपैः प्राणप्रीत्येकतृप्ताश्चरथमखपरा हन्तनेच्छा मुकुन्दे मूर्ध्नां क्षणां पदानां वहसि खलु सहस्राणि सम्पूर्य विश्वं तत्प्रोत्क्रम्प्यापि तिष्ठन् परिमितविवरे भासि चित्तान्तरेऽपि भूतं भव्यं च सर्वं परपुरुष भवान् किंच देहेन्द्रियादिषु आविष्टोद्युद्गतत्वात् अमृतसुखरसं चानुभुङ्क्षे त्वमेव यत्तु त्रैलोक्यरूपं दददिदपि च ततो निर्गतोऽनन्तशुद्धज्ञानात्मा वर्तसे त्वं तव खलु महिमा सोऽपि तावान् किमन्यत् स्तोकस्ते भाग एवाखिल भुवनतया दृश्यते त्र्यंशकल्पं भूयिष्ठं सान्द्रमोदात्मकमुपरि ततो भाति तस्मै नमस्ते। गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। अव्यक्तं ते स्वरूपं दुरधिगतमतमं तत्तु शुद्धैकसत्त्वं व्यक्तं चाप्येतदेव स्फुटममृतरसाम्बोधिकल्लोलतुल्यं सर्वोत्कृष्टामभीष्टां तदिह गुणरसेनैव चित्तं हरन्तीं मूर्तिं ते संश्रयेऽहं पवनपुरपते पाहि मां कृष्णरोगात्। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम सङ्कीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिलगुरो भगवन् नमस्ते.
Thank you, Sahana. It's so sweet to hear from you. Sahana, with your permission, I'll tell everybody how many times you have written Narayanyam? 7, 8 times?
I started writing in 2023 and I think I've written about 4, 5 books now. Sixth one, well, unfortunately, has left
It will
halfway.
start. So yes, so as this we are completing next week, take that sankalpa and complete that. So she's finished so many times writing the entire Narayaniam. So may she inspire us also to take up. And that's why in her chanting also we will get that sweetness. So nice. So nice. Maybe now next Monday when we are completing, take up that whatever is remaining, the 6th book. So beautiful. Good. We are at this. And one more thing. Who has Shamala ji had not chanted. Sorry, somebody is saying something. Sorry, please say.
Harshaji, you said that you would teach us the Dhyana shlokas again, the pronunciations.
Yes. One more thing. One
And
minute.
Rasa Panchadhyayi meaning together, all 5.
Again, you want to hear that?
Yeah,
Okay,
you had
let
said
us-
you said you would do that.
No, I said we'll see if the time is there, Rasa Panchadhyay. But I said for Rama's thing, we would do again. Rama Avatara. Okay. One more thing. Shamala ji has to chant. Anybody else wants to chant? Then I can allot shlok. Who is not chant? Got chance before. Only Shamala ji? Okay. Then Shamala ji, you can do the 10th verse.
अव्यक्तन्ते स्वरूपं दुरधिगमतमं तत्तु शुद्धैकसत्त्वं व्यक्तं चाप्येतदेव स्फुटममृतरसां बोधिकल्लोलतुल्यं सर्वोत्कृष्टामभीष्टान् तदिहन् गुणरसैनैव चित्तं हरन्तीं मूर्तिं ते संश्रयेऽहं पवनपुरपते पाहि मां कृष्णरोगात् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरु भगवन् नमस्ते.
So next week we'll complete and what we'll do on Tuesday is we will do 75 to 100 Dashakams Parayana. So we'll take a roster. I'll post it. Please volunteer. And next Monday, it's unbelievable. Till a few months ago, we were not sure that the Narayanam will complete or not. We were in the 30th, 34th Dashakam. Nothing is going forward. That is that Ramji's thing we said we would do again. That was the point for people. And now see, we are at that verge of completing. May our sadhana only increase and may our interest only to Lord increase and all other ragas and dreshas subside. If we hold on to the Lord, it will happen. May that change happen in us. May we be stronger in our sadhana. And may we get that vision what Bhattatari got by doing all these 99 Dashakams. So let us hold and sadhana stronger for this week till we reach next Monday. And bring in Lord into all your actions so that we can enjoy that 100th Dashakam which comes next Monday. And I'm too grateful to God to bring us to this stage. Okay, so we have comfortably finished and not holding the Devukita people also. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. Immense gratitude to Lord to make us sail so comfortably. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining, and let's meet next Monday on the completion day of this beautiful scripture.
Hari Om Varsha.
Hari Om Varsha.
Hari
Hari
Om.
Om.
Thank you,
Dr.
Varsha ji.
Varsha.
Hari Om.
Thank you,
Hari
Ma'am.
Om, Varsha.
Thank you so much.
Hari Om.
Hari
Thank you,
Om,
Varsha
Varsha
ji.
ji.
Hari Om, Varsha ji.
Thank you, Varsha ji. Hari Om.
Hari Om, Sima.
Hari Om Varsha ji. Thank you.
Hari Om.